Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go playing automatically. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go playing automatically, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Monopoly Go. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.